What's up, motherfuckers? Mike here. So today's episode is about impact vests and why they're super important for big air. So this is the first episode of my new YouTube series, Just the Tip Tuesday, where I give you just the tip.
Just the Tip Tuesdays.
So the goal of these videos is to make simple videos that require less editing and production time so that I can give you more content. So let's get into it. I wear an impact vest to prevent rib injuries. It's really common for us to come down from gnarly heights on our back and injure the back ribs, or to come down with a lot of speed, a lot of force, and get like bent over your harness. And this spreader bar can do a lot of damage to these bottom ribs here. I've seen a lot of guys crack their ribs, have separations, damage the cartilage. It pretty much happens to everybody at some point, and it would have happened to me a lot more if I weren't wearing an impact vest all the time. So a few years back, I did a back roll kite loop in Tarifa. That was my first rib injury. Since then, I've always worn my impact vest, and amazingly, despite having crashed my f***ing off so many times, I still haven't injured my ribs after that. Check out these crashes. So even if I'm going out for a session on my 13.5 and I'm just doing some old school, I might loop the kite or crash really fast and come down hard on my ribs. And yeah, if you get injured, you can be out of the water for like 3 weeks, 6 weeks, sometimes even several months. So in that time when you could have been progressing, instead you were sitting on your couch just regretting not having worn one of these good guys. Injuries really slow progress. Some people have complained that their impact vest hinders their movement, but honestly, it doesn't hinder my movement at all. So I like to wear my impact vest underneath my wetsuit for a few reasons. One, if you're wearing it over your wetsuit and you crash, like you do a butt check, water will shoot up underneath the vest and pull it up. And then you got to try put your finger in underneath your harness and try and fish this guy out, which is super difficult. So by wearing a wetsuit over it, it keeps it in place the whole time. And it's just not as likely to slide up. The other reason why I wear it underneath my wetsuit is that it keeps it in place. It keeps the foam in place. So when you crash and there's like a lot of water applying force to this thing, it can actually pull the foam out of place, leaving you exposed to injury. So having the wetsuit on it, making it like stay in place, is going to keep you better padded and better protected. And the last reason, when it's underneath your wetsuit, you definitely look a little bit more jacked. You just got to be aware that it can cause the seams of your wetsuit to split if the wetsuit is too tight. So what should you look for in an impact vest? Well, first of all, make sure it's well padded. If there's not that much foam, it's not going to give you that much protection. Second of all, we're kiters, so make sure that there's no foam here around your gorgeous abs, because it's going to be annoying trying to put your harness over the foam and over the abs. Also, you want to get something that isn't going to chafe you. So I use the Ride Engine Empax impact vest, and it's really soft, comfortable, stretchy, well padded, and I love it. I wear a small impact vest, even though I'm a medium t-shirt. Pretty much everybody that I've seen with any impact vest drops a size. So if you wear a medium t-shirt, get a small impact vest. If you're a large t-shirt, get a medium impact vest. Ride Engine is giving away one of these impact vests to one of you viewers. So if you want to win an impact vest, just follow the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you've got any ideas for other Just the Tip Tuesday videos, just leave them in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. And also, if you want to watch more of these videos, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Muchos besos. Adios.
welcome to the first episode of Just the Tip Tuesday